My dear students, I am S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. I am going to make explanation of lesson 24 and the heading of this lesson is the Indian Constitution for the students of Standard 8. Yesterday I taught you about the preamble of Indian Constitution. What is the meaning of preamble? And today I am going to explain the meaning of those constitutional words which are included or written in the preamble of our constitution. Today I am going to make explanation of those words which words are included in the preamble of our constitution. So one by one let us start. At first, we the people of India, it has been written in the preamble of our constitution. What is the meaning of we the people of India? It means the constitution makers, originators, creators and organizers are the Indian citizens, are the Indian people. In second term, I am going to explain the words solemnly reserved and secure. Now explanation of all these words one by one. At first, solemnly. Solemnly means with swear and oathfully or in the form of pledge or promise. This is the meaning of solemnly. And after that, resolved. Resolve means being determined or stable or with firm decision or fixed, not easily moved. This is the meaning of resolved. And after that, I am going to explain the meaning of secure. Secure means to get, to obtain. And now the explanation of third term. Under this term, these words are firstly sovereign, secondly socialist, thirdly secular, and after that democratic republic. And now I want to make explanation of all these words one by one. At first, I want to make explanation of the word sovereign. What is the meaning of sovereign? That nation is known as sovereign nation, which is free to take decision in its internal matters as well as with other countries without any out impression. I mean, sovereign country is that country which is free to take decision inside the country as well as outside of the country or with other countries. After that, I am going to make explanation of socialist. This word has also been included in the preamble of our constitution. What is the meaning of socialist? That countries are considered socialist countries. That countries are considered socialist countries where every citizen gets its share in national property. In our country, socialist society has been established according to our constitution. According to our constitution, India has been declared as a socialist country. Here, everyone gets his share in national property. And after that, I am going to make explanation about the word which has been included in the preamble of our constitution. This word is secular. What is the meaning of secular? That country is known as secular country. That country is known as secular country where people belong to any caste, creed, region or religion. They may live freely and they are free to accept any religion according to their own desires. There is no any state religion. In a secular country, there is no any state religion. People are free to accept any religion according to their own desire. The state cannot compel the citizens, the people of the country to accept this religion and to live that religion. This is the meaning of secular country. And that's all for today. And next day I shall explain the another topic. So wait for the next day and goodbye. Bye bye.